Hi, I'm Marna. Happy Memorial Day. Memorial Day in the United States is the day that we pause and we take time to remember those heroes that served in the military and are no longer with us, especially those that died while they were at war for our freedom. So a shout out to them. It's also in the USA the unofficial first day of summer. So here we are. We have exciting news. We hit our 500 subscribers. Actually, we hit it day before yesterday, I believe, but we had out-of-town company, so I couldn't get to this video. We have the giveaway, and it is packed and ready to ship. It's in a bubble envelope, and that is going out to our lucky winner. And if you remember from our giveaway video, we are giving away one 3D printed from our first troll model or pattern in gold with black hair. The black hair comes on a spindle to a lucky subscriber that left a comment on the giveaway video, I don't know, what do you call it, page? Anyway, so we have that, and I'm going to tell you in just a moment who that is. But I do want to mention that Dolls Rescued is going to be doing more giveaways. You have to be a subscriber, you have to like our videos, and you have to leave a comment when we have we always appreciate your comments, but when we do the giveaway items, that's how we know who would like to receive it, is they've left a comment. We are going to be giving away some 3D printed items as well as perhaps some others. Some will be troll related. I'm excited about that because we did buy another model, which is pattern, which we will be showing you in a few weeks. And we also found some items for the Baby Alives in 3D printing that we're going to be offering as a free giveaway. Who won? That's what you're saying. Who won? Come on, did I win or not? Darren took the computer last night and he put in the amount of people that were in the comments and did this little random number thing, and we counted down, and when we got to the first person, they were not a subscriber. So we went to the second person, and that was Brenda B. You have won. I need your address so I can send this to your house. And if you could contact me by email, my email address is on the dollsrescued.com website. As always, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment.